All right, let's talk about researching dockets. So from the main home screen in the Smart Search page, you're going to want to run a search. Now, of course, this can be anything: a judge, a legal issue, opposing counsel, a motion type, etc. Let's use an example of maybe a motion type. Maybe we're looking for motions to compel arbitration. And we want to do general research to see where every case where a motion to compel arbitration was filed. In this case, we're in California, so across California state trial courts. So we're in the dockets tab, and what we're looking at are cases here. So these are all cases where a motion to compel arbitration has been filed. And let's go ahead and jump into one and show you what a docket page on Trellis looks like. So we are now on the docket page for Sullivan v. Hotcakes. And let's talk about what this page is. So at the top of the page is going to be case details: filing date, filing location, matter type, number of days the case was pending, etc. Next will always come parties in the case. Now, again, as a reminder, anytime you see a party, if you click on that party, it will run a search for that party and take you to all of the cases that that party has, historical or pending. Below that is going to be the actual docket of the case. So these are going to be individual docket entries from the moment the complaint was filed all the way through to where it gets resolved, or if it's currently ongoing. But let's say you are looking for a case with pages and pages of historical docket history. Maybe it has been on for a number of years. If you want to narrow down to a specific docket entry within a case, you can always search this field right here by whatever it is that you would be looking for. I typed notice in this case, or I could find the arbitration motion that we were looking at, etc. So always a way to narrow to specific docket events. And then a couple more pieces while we're on the docket page. Now, we do our best to make sure that all of our data is as up to date as possible from the courts. But if there's a situation where you come to a docket and you don't see, maybe you were in court yesterday and you don't see the docket entry updated yet, you can always press this right here, update case information. What this does is basically move this docket to the very top of our queue. We go to the court, refresh the data in real time, and then any new docket entries, any new documents filed in the case, if documents are available, will be there and available. So this is a way to help us prioritize and to help you get the most up-to-date case information if you have any question. There are a variety of other buttons here. You can download any docket, you can print, you can share. So this is basically what you do for your docket searches. And then again, remember, you can always then narrow to a specific county, let's say Orange, or whatever the case may be, and continue to narrow into very specific cases with the search terms that you're looking for, simply by using and connecting your search terms.